Hello everybody, it is Lucky Mechanic AJ here, and welcome back to another video. So yes, I do know I'm not on my normal account. This is me right here. Show you what I am. It's just the password changed to my Lucky Mechanic AJ account, and I totally don't know what it is now. So now we should be working with this. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. But, we all Gucci. We're doing fine. So today, guys, I have this Animal Jam gift card that I got for my birthday. My friend, he gave it to me for my birthday because he knows how much I love Animal Jam. So, oh god, no thank you. I should probably turn off my buddies. Oh yeah, guys, one thing I do want to say, oh my god, this has made me like so happy. I became, um, I became buddies with Rockabilly Kitty. Rockabilly Kitty. I became buddies with her, and I will show you proof. Go here, here. Okay, Rockabilly Kitty. See, I am buddy with Rock. I was watching this. I watched this video. She was so funny. It was hilarious. But guys, go check out her channel. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. She is amazing. She is one of a kind. So now we are going to do this little Animal Jam gift card thing that I have, and it is a 6-month Animal Jam membership, and it's times 25 bonus of sapphires or diamonds, and an exclusive bonus item. So let's go over here to redeem a code. Okay guys, so I got it. This is the code. Now let's get it. Oh, what? It didn't work? Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so I did it again, but just with all caps. Now hopefully this is gonna work. Did it work? Did it work? Oh my god, I got it. Let's see, where's my gift? Membership has been added to your account. Congratulations, yay! Okay, 9,000 gems. Oh wow, that's amazing. 25 diamonds, and what else? Oh my god, I got a spring bunny! The spring bunny has been added to your animal inventory. You can also create a new spring bunny at any time. See what is this? Carrot Amory. Okay, so this is cool. And then let me see. Carrot lamp. Wow, this is probably gonna be like all carrot themed. Carrot couch. Carrot table. Carrot chair. And you remember, thank you for redeeming our Animal Jam promotional code. Your membership has been extended. Snickers that has gifts waiting in Animal Jam Play Wild. Log in to Play Wild with this account to get all the items. Okay, I'm really excited for that. So I'm gonna try to do that. I don't have the app, but I'm going to try to do that. So I'm gonna spend quite a while doing that, but I'm not going to record it. Take way too long. So I will be back once I get onto Amazon Play Wild. Before I get onto Amazon Play Wild, I got like some sapphires. I'm 30 because why you're anyway. Stuff. Use some diamonds. I got this adorable little fox. No, I'm not gonna go to that. But I got this adorable little fox down here. And now we are going up to the look. Not gonna look. Because I don't want to see what it does. Okay. So I'm going to dress up my little fox. I'm gonna get that fox. See what outfit I can get for my little pet fox. She looks adorable. Oh my god, I can make her go night night. You know, it's adorable. But I don't mind to be a ninja. But that array looks cute. Spike. Well, it's gonna be so sad. I like my pet Spike, but yeah, I don't have any spikes. That's Gucci, real Gucci. How about no back item? Maybe the necklace. Maybe I like this spike. Alright, let's go for that necklace. We're gonna buy something. So now let's check out what this little animal does. Let's see. So it jumps, and it digs. Okay, it's digging, it's digging, it's digging. Oh my god, it pulls out a little rabbit. That's adorable. Make Wade. Make Wade. We want to make Wade. That is so cute, guys. Okay, so now, now we're going to go on to Ableton Playground, which with this app that I use called BlueStacks. So yeah, I decided. So let's go. Okay, so I'm on the app BlueStacks now. Let's go to search. Animal Jam. See, yeah. Okay, so we're going to its best app word. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so now it's just wait. Let's load. Okay, it's loading. Loading. So it's basically just downloading. I'm sorry guys, like, if you can't really hear me well, because we're on the mic. 2, it's pretty late, and 3, I have very stuffy nose. So, yeah. So here we go. It's just download now. So, no, I don't want to get this app. This app is, guys. Once it finishes downloading, I will get back to you as soon as it's done. Okay, guys. So I got it to work, and I was just downloading. So this is gonna take a while for it to download, cause I'm only at 3.3, like almost at 4 megabytes, and it needs 4 to 66 megabytes. So I will get back to you once it is finished. And that might be like tomorrow morning or something. So maybe it's gonna be today. You never know. So I'll be right back. Hello, everybody. Okay, guys, so I'm back. It's been 2 days, and it's finally loaded, and I couldn't wait anymore. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. So I couldn't wait anymore. So I went on my iPad to go play on Jim's to see what my gift was, and it was 3,000 sapphires. So I have 3,173 sapphires. Boom. So, yeah. So right after this, guys, I'm gonna make a video on my, let's just do it on this account, why not? So, yeah. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one, which is gonna be like in a few minutes. Okay, peace, love, whatever. My outro is, I totally forgot it, but it's been a while. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a nice day and all. So, yeah. Bye!